For our understanding, let's say a normal human being is someone who doesn't have any serious medical or mental conditions. A normal person, when he goes through life, encountering so many different things while performing his job or dealing with his family issues or other issues in his life, he goes through a lot of stress. The stress, when it becomes serious, when it becomes chronic, is going to affect all areas of his life. In this case, a normal human being's mind has lost its balance. We need to bring some balance to this mind. We need to bring some sense of control and balance for such human beings. In these cases, mindfulness is going to be really helpful. So therefore, we think, let's start with a normal human being who is going through these problems, and can we address his day-to-day problems first? For the rest of the people who have some serious medical conditions, they need to fix those conditions first. Those conditions have to be treated by professional doctors or psychologists or mental professionals. Only if they are able to overcome those serious mental and health conditions, mindfulness can be a great tool. In one of the articles that we shared in the group, it is shown very clearly that if people who are with serious medical conditions like autism, they need support first. They need to be given support if they want to follow mindfulness techniques or meditation techniques. Is going to be harder for them. So therefore, we need to treat those conditions first. When they come to the state of a normal human being who can perform the day-to-day activities that we all go through, they can use mindfulness. Mindfulness is going to be a great tool when it comes to bringing some focus, when it comes to needing some attention in a given task.